Hi viewers, welcome back in a new video. Today I am telling about Toya Q7-5SPG, how to generate a password, how to register your finger, how to register a card. So let's start. Just press star hash, then press 1 for user. Also enter here the secret key. Also you can register your finger, then the operation is succeeded. Also you can register there are password, any 6-digit password that you can generate by selecting same option, and also you can register card. Okay, after registering you come back, and also you check. Now you check it is registered or no. See, you can open by card also you can open by finger. And if you want to go into setting after registering your finger or password, just press star hash and then enter administrator password that you generate. Then you can go into the setting, and in next video I'll tell you about how to register your smart lock with your mobile. Stay with us. Thank you.